you take a bit of time and you do a bit of reading, you'll find a number of court cases where people have found themselves in front of the judge to explain why they did building work without getting a building consent. As building professionals, we should know what work requires a building consent, what work might not require a building consent, and we can offer guidance to homeowners and to clients when they ask for advice. This information is found in Schedule 1 of the Building Act. And if we're undertaking work, we should be aware of our responsibility as licensed building practitioners, as a professional in this field, as to what that guidance is. Recently, I saw a court finding where two contractors working together to replace a window, then went on to replace some of the structure of the building. Now that work required a building consent. Turns out that they didn't get a building consent for that work. It went through the legal process, and the end result, they were fined $35,000. So there are rules. I know it's complicated, but the rules are there to keep us safe, and that's really important.